Why does wrong feel so right? Hey there, Coach Tanya here at Critical Bench, joined by Coach Chris and Coach Brian. And in this video, we're showing you the 8 most abused upper body exercises. So we've got Coach Chris doing them correctly, Coach Brian doing them incorrectly. Going to give you some tips and some suggestions, things that you want to watch for when you're doing these exercises to make sure you're doing them properly for a multitude of reasons. One is, if you're not doing an exercise properly, chances are you might hurt yourself, you might strain yourself. Secondly, it might make it very unenjoyable, so then you decide not to include it in your workouts. And finally, if you're not performing an exercise correctly, you're actually not getting the benefit of it. So really, you're getting very little impact from what that exercise can give you and add to your entire workout. So, you ready to go?
Yeah. Well, I'm always wrong, so
right.
I'm not ready.
Are we ready to go?
Oh, I'm always ready.
Okay, so the first one we're going to do is push-ups. So let's see your push-ups, boys. All right, so we have Mr. Wrong here, obviously very poor form. First of all, his butt's in the air, so let's drop that butt, okay? Now that's too low, too low. So let's come up off the floor again and keep, I want to rest a hot cup of tea on your back. Okay, drop that, drop your hips, chin up.
Oh, come on, come on,
okay.
Wrong.
Come on, bring those, straighten out those shoulders a bit, bring those shoulders back, bring those elbows. There we go. Okay, toes curled under on the floor. Tough study. Okay, if you'll notice, Coach Chris over here, Mr. Right, has got a nice straight back. Toes are curled under. His palms of his hands, easy for me to say, are right underneath his shoulders. He doesn't have his chin tucked too far under. He also isn't looking up, so he's got a nice straight plane here. Nice and straight. He's in control of the movement. He's not flailing about and doing nice, concentrated, controlled reps. Good job. So for the next exercise we want to show you is pull-up. So we've got Mr. Wrong here showing an incorrect pull-up.
I don't even know how to do a wrong pull-up.
Well, you got to grab the bar.
Oh, all right, here.
Okay.
Yeah. Come on, all right.
Pull.
There it is.
Okay, so not coming all the way down. He's holding his breath, kicking his legs out, so actually using a lot more energy to do a pull-up. He's going to tire out a lot more quickly. Now, how about the right way?
Good luck.
Good luck.
This looks oddly familiar. Hang on, do the little stretch.
You want to stretch first, it feels good. Okay, so look at that, a full extension and lift, bringing his chin above the bar. Nice and slow and controlled, so he's actually working against that gravity, the resistance there pulling him down. And without all that flailing, he's also doing a straight move. It's not like he's pulling himself up side to side, he's going straight up and down, so he's not going to tire as quickly, going to get a lot more benefit out of the exercise, so good job.
Let me face this way and I'll show you how a lot of people do.
Yeah, show them all crunched up, okay?
More wrong.
So yeah, see how he's contracting all of that up, and he's going to end up with a sore neck, tight shoulders, probably headaches, all right? And it's just he's going to tire much more quickly because he's holding himself.
Doing it wrong never felt so wrong. Poor wrong. Oh, I got the wrong part of the straw stick. I got the short stick. I got the wrong stick today.
Okay, how about sit-ups?
Let's do it.
Okay, let's see your sit-up. Okay, all kinds of wrong here. Pulling on his neck, feet aren't on the floor. He's really just going to hurt himself. Now, if you look at Coach Wright, that's actually the right way to do. You need to stop. The right way to do a sit-up is to not do a sit-up. You know what? If you click on that pinned comment below, we've got 5 core killers. Click that. That's what you want to be doing if you want to work your abs and your core. Do not do your sit-ups. Make sure you also click that subscription button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of our great content. Okay, we got to start. There's just so many pages of wrong here. All right, let's assume a plank position. Great. Oh, okay. Rounded shoulders, head down, butt up, toes up. Like he should be nice. Look at Coach Wright, nice and straight. Elbows underneath his shoulders, head is in a neutral position, back is straight. You could actually rest a cup of tea on his back. It wouldn't move or go anywhere. This You can just rest, sweetie. That's okay. Okay, moving on to the overhead press. So let's see you do that. Right away, how he swung those up, really gonna hurt his lower back. Look, his feet aren't even nice and flat on the floor. Can you do that? Yeah, let's show a side view here. Look at this arch in it, this curve in his back, looking up, just posturally, anatomically wrong. Going to get hurt, only going to get hurt. Compared to feet grounded on the floor, straight back, head neutral. We could just looking forward, we call that neutral. Okay, nice strong push up, controlling on the way down. I'm gonna get maximum benefit and max reps out of doing it this way. How you feeling?
Feel wrong. All kinds of wrong.
All kinds of wrong. All right, so let's go on to bench press. We'll give you show us your bench.
Get that out of the way.
All right.
Don't hurt yourself now doing it wrong.
Yeah.
Like literally.
This is the one. This is the one he's gonna get right.
I'm glad I'm not doing them wrong because I do them so wrong I would hurt myself.
All right, let's take a look at this. Okay, problem number 1, feet are not on the floor. Yeah.
Come on, speed it up, man.
Yeah. Look, lift it. Butt is not, so it's okay to have an arch in the back, but he's not touching, his shoulders and his glutes should be touching the bench, not doing a full range of motion. Lifting his head up, yeah. Throwing the all right. Let's see another version of bench press. Okay, feet nice and anchored on the floor. There's a bit of an arch here. You can see it, pull his shirt up. But glutes, shoulders are touching the bench. Nice slow reps. Coming down to just the chest and extending. Yeah, again, max reps, max benefit from the exercise. Low risk of injury or strain. Okay, this is one of my favorites. It is the dumbbell row. So let's see what you got. Okay. Arched back. It looks like he's trying to start a lawnmower after a long, hard day of drinking beer. I don't know, but this is not good. He's going to get hurt. He's actually not really doing anything other than moving the weight, but not doing anything. All right, let's see a different version of the dumbbell row. Okay, I call it a B stance, or you can call it a staggered stance. Straight back. Feet are solid and grounded on the floor. He's got a firm plant on the bench. Nice, slow control, bringing the dumbbell up to his hip and slowly lowering, executing really good form and technique, full range of motion, low risk again of strain or hurting himself. He's gonna be able to max out his reps and get the benefit of doing this exercise. All right, this next exercise is one I see people do wrong all the time in the gym, and it is the dip. Well, speaking of dips. All right, so let's see you do your dip. Okay, so his feet aren't flat. He's actually not doing anything. Like, he's not actually performing anything because there's no range of motion. Back is curled. He's just bouncing. He's just bouncing around. And yeah, I think that's enough. Thank you. Thank you very much. All right. Okay, let's see it right. Let's see it. Okay, nice straight back. Heels on the floor. Now a slight bend in the knee is absolutely fine because really he's holding himself nice and straight, neutral head position, and he's not just bouncing 1 or 2 inches off the floor. He's actually executing full range of motion to perform a dip correctly. Good job. Well, there you have it, 8 of the most abused upper body exercises. And really is a shame because these are great exercises. They have tremendous impact and results in your upper body workout. What happens though, a lot of times we find people are getting injured or they're avoiding them because they're simply doing them wrong. A few simple corrections can change the whole way you feel doing these. You're gonna be able to fit them in your workout, getting full reps, maxing yourself out, and getting the benefit of what these exercises have to offer in terms of building strength. Now, you want to click that pinned comment below for a free gift. Click on that, enter email, and you will have that immediately. If you haven't done so already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell because you don't want to miss any more of our fantastic video comment. Please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Thanks for joining me. I'm Coach Tanya here at Critical Bench. Have a great day.